Hey guys, this is Sakshi back and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Way to Learn. So again today we are going to solve the remaining PYQs for the vector algebra from mathematical physics, and these are going to be the CSIR-NET physical sciences PYQs, previous year questions. So we had already solved, okay, I have already told that from vector algebra there were around 9 PYQs. So, uh, 9 PYQs. From that 9 PYQs, we have already solved 3 PYQs, and today we are going to see the other 3 PYQs. So, the previous 3 PYQs that we had already solved, the questions are over here. This is the first one, the second one, third one. So, now let us solve our fourth question. So, here the unit vector normal to the point A, B, C. Okay, the point is given on the surface of the ellipsoid is also given. So we have to find the unit vector perpendicular. Okay, unit vector normal to this point. Okay, so basically to find the unit vector, what do we do? N cap will be equal to del phi by mod of del phi. So phi over here is the given surface, which is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1. So we have to find del phi at the given points. So del phi over here will be 2x by a square I cap plus 2y by b square j cap plus 2z by c square k cap at the points given as a by root 3, b by root 3 and c by root 3. Okay, so now our del phi will be like, on substituting our x values we get 2a by root 3 a square I cap plus 2b by root 3 b square j cap plus 2c by root 3 c square k cap. So now our del phi will be like, I need to cancel everything. 2 by root 3 a I cap plus 2 by root 3 b j cap plus 2 by root 3 c k cap. So now we have to find the mod. So del phi, the mod is nothing but the square root of the components coefficients. So 2 by root 3 a the whole square plus 2 by root 3 b the whole square plus 2 by root 3 c the whole square. So you'll have to just use basic mathematics steps over here. 4 by 3 a square plus 4 by 3 b square plus 4 by 3 c square, which will be like around 2 by root 3. We can take 2 by root 3 out, and on simplification we get b square c square plus a square c square plus a square b square the whole divided by abc. I'm just taking the LCM over here. So now n cap will be del phi by mod of del phi. So del phi over here is this. So I'm going to take my 2 by root 3 common, and I'm going to take the LCM over here. See, if I take over here, which is nothing but BC I cap plus AC J cap plus AB K cap the whole divided by ABC. So this is what will be your del phi after taking the LCM. So I'm going to write the same over here. This is whole divided by 2 by root 3 ABC. I can cancel this ABC and ABC. So, and this 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. Now my n cap will be BC I cap plus AC J cap plus AB K cap the whole divided by root over B square C square plus A square C square plus A square B square. So, which is nothing but our option A. So, this is nothing but a simple mathematics over here. The only formula is this unit vector formula. So if you know this formula, then it is going to be very easy. So now we are going to see a problem from June 2013. So here a unit vector n cap on the xy plane is at an angle of 120 degree with respect to I. So I'm going to draw a unit vector. Okay. So which will be like in the xy plane. So my I will be over here and my j vector will be over here. So I and j will be perpendicular to each other. So the angle will be 90 degree. And according to question, the unit vector n cap on the xy plane is at an angle 120 with respect to I. So n cap will be at an angle 120 degree. So let me consider this 120 to be my alpha, and the angle of n cap with respect to j cap will be 30 degree. So beta will be 30 degree. Now, how do we frame a unit vector using these values? So for such kind, you can use n cap is equal to Li plus Mj, and here Li is nothing but cos alpha I plus cos beta j. These are derived from the direction cosines, so you can just check that once. So n cap is 120 cos 120 I cap plus cos 30 j cap. So on substituting, I get n cap to be minus 1 by 2 I cap plus root 3 by 2 j cap. Now this is my n cap. Okay. So now we have to find the angle between the vectors u and v. So what do we do now? Angle between vectors is nothing but the dot product. This is u, v, cos theta. So we have to find cos theta. Cos theta is equal to uv by. Okay. So according to the question, the angle between the two vectors will be 60 degree if. So here they have given the theta value, which is 60. So cos 60 would be 1 by 2. So now we have to find u dot v by u into v. So now we have your u vector as ai plus bn. So I can write my n cap over here, which is minus 1 by 2 I cap plus root 3 by 2 j cap. So on simplification, I will get my root u vector to be a minus b by 2 I cap plus root 3b by 2 j cap. Similarly, when you do for your v vector, you're going to get b minus a by 2 I cap plus root 3 by 2 a into j cap. You can do the same step with your v vector and you're going to get this same thing. So now we have to find u dot v and then mod of u and v. So let us find u dot v, which is a minus b by 2 I cap plus root 3 by 2 j cap dot product of b minus a by 2 I cap plus root 3 by 2 a into j cap. So now u dot v, after doing that u dot v, you're going to get like u dot v vector. You have to use this vector sign everywhere. Okay. So u dot v is equal to a minus b by 2 into b minus a by 2 plus 3, here it's b, 3ab by 4. So on simplification, you're going to get ab minus a square by 2 minus b square by 2 plus ab by 4 plus 3ab by 4. Okay, this is your u dot v. Now on further simplification, you can get this as phi ab by 4 minus. Okay, so I'm going to just write the simplified version of this. You're going to simplify this a simple step only. So 2ab minus a square by 2 minus b square by 2. So this is your u dot v. Now we have to find the mod also. So mod of u dot mod of v into cos 60, which is 1 by 2. So we are going to solve this RHS totally. So on solving that, so we are just going to use this. So it's into into cos 60, which is 1 by 2. So on simplifying these square roots, like expanding a minus b the whole square form and all, and simplifying that, I'm going to get this a square minus 4ab plus ga square by 4 into 1 by 2. So this on further simplification will give me so the square root will get cancelled with these squares, and this 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So your mod of what we cos 60 will be nothing but 1 by 2 a square plus b square by 2 minus ab by 2. So now we have to equate LHS and RHS. Our LHS is this. So 2ab minus a square by 2 minus b square by 2 is equal to a square by 2 plus b square by 2 minus ab by 2. So on simplifying this, you're going to get a quadratic equation which is 2a square minus 5ab plus 2b square is equal to 0. So you're going to get 2a minus b to 2b minus a equal to 0. So a can be v by 2 or b can be a by 2. So this is your answer. So when theta is 60 degree, either a can be v by 2 or b can be a by 2, which is option C. So I hope you get this. This is a long like simplification but an easy problem. So let us see a last problem of the session. Here a vector is given and we have to find the integral a vector dot dl vector. So if you see this line integral, you can directly convert this to surface integral using Stokes theorem. So this will give you del cross A. Yes. So this is from Stokes theorem. So now we have to just find del cross A. That will give you the answer. So in order to find del cross A, this is the following form to find del cross A. So yz, xz and xy. So this yz, xz and xy is from this A vector. Okay. Now we have to just use the determinant. So dou y by dou y into xy will, you're going to differentiate this term with respect to y, then you're going to get x. And next you're going to differentiate this term by z, then you're again going to get minus x. Similarly, this will give you y minus y plus k cap into z minus z. So your del cross A is equal to 0. Therefore, your line integral will be 0. So it's a very simple question. So if you see, it's already asked in December 2013 and again asked in June 2014, the next year itself. So, but the question was not exactly same. This was the same vector given and we had to find the line integral. The options were different and the line integral was different and the question was like a bit big, extra informations. So we do not require those extra informations over here. When we know that we are going to use Stokes theorem, we just have to use del cross A, that's all. So I hope you like this like solutions, and if you have any kind of problem with the solution, you can comment in the video down below so I can help you. And if you have any other suggestions, then you just feel free to comment down in this video. So thank you. Like my videos, share my videos if you like those, subscribe my videos, and also hit the bell. So only when you hit the bell, you're going to get the notifications of my PYQs. So see you tomorrow.